Gorge Cascade at Sleeping Giant. Looking good today. It's like May 7th, and there hasn't been a sunny day in May yet, and it's rained quite a bit. I'm soaking wet from sweat right now. My glasses are fogging up. Oh my gosh. And in this spot, man. It's so foggy. In fact, it completely whited out that eye that used to be there, remember? Man, is it foggy up here right now. Totally in a cloud. Very few people out here. I haven't seen a single person on the way up. Yeah, May 7th. Getting a few good hours for hiking in late in the day on a Saturday. Wow, it's a little misty. Everything's damp now. It wasn't like this just, oh, God, oops. I'm alright. It's hard. I won't fall. Anyway, yeah. Wow. Awesome right now here. Alone in the castle. Except for a guy I saw down there having a meal. Raincoat and ample-sized backpack. And we're bogged in up here. So yeah, we heard people doing a lot of carvings, like last year or the year before, and I left it on the video. I don't know if I filmed any of them. But we were talking about it, and it does look like someone came along and screwed them all up. They were carving into the stone. Now there's still graffiti from these probably college students. Yeah, there's a college student right there. That's Emily's boyfriend. Oils. That's what they would have written when I was a teenager. For some reason. I mean, I know what they mean, but I don't know why you would say that. It's really important to express that about oils. I better put the camera away because none of this is going to be kept on the edit. Anyways, it's cool up here now. I've never seen it up here like this, in fact. Never ever. There's no time to do much more. But we'll see where we end up next. Whew. Well, see, now it's May 8th. And the sun has come out a little this afternoon, Sunday. was up there, up there in the chest just now, and I'll just tell you as we walk here, because I gotta make time. Like, I don't know. It's okay, these guys were yelling to each other and all that, but this guy who was sitting there when I got there spoke up when I got up to leave. And he calls over and says, "Excuse me." And he says, "Is that a whaler's cap?" I said, "Yeah, they still sell them." Just looking back here. Alright. And then he says, oh, wait. I started to go away again. He says, wait, one more thing. What kind of pants are those? They're just these normal light pants I got in Walmart. So you got those in Walmart? He says, they don't unzip, right? And he made, motion, like referring to those kind of pants that unzip for some reason. He's talking about that. And I said, no, they're not. And he laughs and says, oh, no, I don't mean, you know what I mean. I said, yeah, I know what you mean, but no, they're not. They're just normal pants, man. Oh, yeah, those are nice pants. Well, sure. You can see why he would like my pants. See, they're amazing pants, aren't they? Can you see? They're just normal pants. Where's that orange trail? I don't want him to be able to track me. So yeah, it's a nice walk up and down when it's cascading. main parking area of Sleeping Giant, where I don't come very often. I was noticing there are a million cars. I remember reading somewhere recently that they were closing, turning people away because all the parking is used up. You can park a lot of cars up there, and there's the big parking lot there. But so this place has gotten a lot more popular in the last 5 or 10 years.